My mornings feel different now. Whilst I've always been an early riser, I haven't always appreciated just how beautiful they are. I used to rush through my days, always thinking about the next item on my to-do list. As much as I would love to spend my days moving slowly and filling them with all sorts of creative and enjoyable activities, my days, like most people's, are busy, filled with work and other responsibilities. One day my days might be slower and more peaceful in the traditional sense, but I know that when that time comes, I'll find myself missing the beautiful, happy and chaotic moments of now. Mornings like this remind me that we can find moments of peace within our busy lives. The chatter of the birds, the soft ripple of the water on the riverbank, the hum of the world waking up. It all blends together to form something quite comforting. It's the background noise of a full and present life. The important thing is, you don't need silence to live a slow and quiet life. You find it within your life, a life-filled kind of peace. I realised recently that the little me never had any hobbies. I studied and worked, all for the better prospects that might potentially happen when I grow up. I've certainly tried a lot of creative arts over the years, but the goal was to turn every single possible activity into a potential profession. I didn't do anything just for fun, and when I did, well, that felt like time wasted. So now, being an adult with very little hobbies, I realise that the guilt still persists in my mind. Hobbies, rest, insignificant activities are just as important in life, maybe at times even more than being productive. They are the building blocks of your personality. Living fast in the midst of action doesn't always mean productive or better. Sometimes, the fast pace creates an illusion of efficiency when, in reality, we spend a lot of that time doing nothing or recovering from brain fog or burnout. The slower pace allows us to see and prioritize time better. I learned to do a lot of things for no particular reason in the spare time that I make for myself. Learning to paint and try new recipes as a means of meditation. Reading fiction instead of that stack of self-help books I'd been so invested in 5 years ago. Losing myself in the beautiful fantasy world of somebody else's mind. Sometimes even losing myself in the fantasy world of my own mind. For me, creating these videos allows me to be more present with the content that I am capturing. It forces me to slow down. By making a mundane moment look a little bit more beautiful, I add this magic to my own life and learn to appreciate the beauty of the surrounding world. I have to stop and really see what I would otherwise have missed in the hectic pace of my regular, everyday life. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.